Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. I'm posting a post-market report and pre-market levels for bank nifties. So and also technical topics. Everything will be covered from the share market. So if you need any suggestions or queries, please let me know in comments. So just we go to our topic today, post-market report for bank nifty. Okay. So whoever not watched the previous video of pre-market report, which I posted yesterday, please watch it and come back. Okay. So I have shown you this levels yesterday. Okay, for long and short. So there is no long opportunity here. So we can avoid it. For short opportunity, as I drawn here, once retracement, we will go until this previous door low first profit booking, and then once it's broken, the second level. But market can able to reverse from here. If it is broken only, we can go to the short position. So this is the plan for short opportunity, as I said earlier in this pre-market video. Okay, if you are not watched, please watch that video. So like unexpectedly, like market has been opened the gap down due to global news and crashes going on. So as per the plan, it's not opened here. So it, anyway, we have to follow the levels. So our previous day level has been broken. Okay, so we have to go short until uh, like it is breaking these levels, because I have posted here like market can reverse from here. So can you able to see this green candle? It is taken somewhat support and go top. Okay, so trying to break. So due to sellers pressure, it was broken this level, so it is not able to take reverse from here. Okay, so again it is retracement. It's coming down. So once you taken this short opportunity from here, if you follow this levels, okay, you can reach this level. Okay, or if you're trailing the stop loss, we can get the more profits. Okay, but on the around after 12 o'clock, it will be a more volatility market, so we cannot able to blindly say like we can give more profits after the post market video. Okay, on the live market, we cannot able to do anything. That is a fact. Okay, but I'm just saying for the first half, and at least we can able to do little profits by trailing the stop loss here on the bearish market. That's it. On the second half, there is more volatility, and market started reversing from here and there. Okay, so that's the plan, like post market of bank nifty today. Okay, so if anyone taken any of your and give me your suggestions how this levels has been worked. Even I posted in the telegram, like after the nifty, see this one I posted here. Okay, 17,650. I hope this one once broken, market will go down. Okay, same thing happened in nifty also. Okay, so if you take a nifty or bank nifty after that breakdown, you can get the bearish market and get few profits by trailing your stop loss. Okay, so that's the thing. So further for the tomorrow markets, I will post it soon. Okay, this is done for the day. I just calculated because I have not taken first half. I have not noticed. I was busy on other works, so I have not noticed. On the second half only, I just little scalp the few profits. So that's it. Nothing much. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's see pre-market analysis on next video. Please give me your suggestions and support to give the more topics and the levels further. Thank you so much. We'll see you on next video.